Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best rolling TV stands in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Mount Factory Rolling TV Stand. This movable rolling TV stand is perfect for safeguarding your TV as well as other components like DVD player and music system. It has a component shelf where you can store all these things. It is a sturdy frame and interlocking casters that make it a perfect product to buy. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. North Bio Universal Mobile TV Stand. It is a highly sophisticated TV stand that can hold models of 32 to 65 inches. With complete ease, the North Bio stand is an ideal product to use in lecture halls, hospitals, conference rooms, and homes. There are 4 lockable wheel casters installed in this stand that make the maneuver better. Number 8. Peerless Universal Rolling Cart. It is one of the most popular models among people due to its weighing power and excellent wheel movement. The Peerless Universal lasts for many years due to the high-quality material. There is also a tray installed in this cart to offer additional space for laptops and other essential things. Number 7. Elite Edge Mobile Rolling TV Carts. It is an amazing rolling TV stand that can tilt pretty quickly to the best viewing angle. You will get an adjustable tray and easy moving wheels with this product. The Elite Edge Mobile has a capacity of holding TVs up to 100 pounds without any issue. Number 6. Husky Mount Rolling TV Cart. The Husky Mount is an amazing product equipped with 4 silent balls, bearing a swivel caster through which you can move the TV faster. It also has an adjustable tray where you can put electronic products. Furthermore, you can adjust the height to get a better view. Number 5. Vivo TV Cart for LCD LED Plasma Flat. If you want to take your experience to a completely new level, then buy the Vivo TV Cart now. It's made from a very high quality material that allows it to offer amazing protection to the TV. Some best features of this product are smooth movement wheels, universal sizing, and perfect tilt to offer the right viewing experience. Number 4. Yahitech Universal Flat Screen TV Cart Stand. If you want to enhance your viewing experience, then buy the Yahitech Universal TV Stand. It can accommodate TVs of almost all designs. Also, it offers you the liberty to adjust TV at any viewing angle. This stand has a maximum loading capacity of 110 pounds that is enough for the majority of models. Number 3. Kanto MTM 65PL TV Stand with Wheels and Mount. The Kanto MTM 65PL made for people who want to move their TV with ease. It comes with quick releasing locks on wheels that hardly give any trouble. The product made from a high quality steel frame having a powder finish that looks pretty attractive. Number 2. Fitwise TT207001MB Swivel TV Stand. The manufacturer has created this stand by keeping the minimalist in time. You can adjust the height of this stand according to your requirement. It comes with a modern design that can support all the models between 32 and 65 inches. Furthermore, you are free to direct the television in any direction as per your needs. Number 1. Vivo Black TV Cart for LCD LED Plasma Flat Panel Stand. If your family wants a unique design and wants to give a new look to the room, then buy Vivo Black TV Cart made from extremely high quality material. It can use for any model within 32 to 65 length. There are swivel wheels attached to the bottom of the stand, allowing you to move it from one place to another. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.